Okay, what's up everybody? This is Gooniac yet again. I've gotten the maiden done on this beautiful bird here. It was not uneventful, mainly because it took a little bit to get the plane going. So ignore the mess in here. Actually, let me set this down for a second. So you can see what I'm doing. But I had to make some stuff work. So yes, it's a mess in here right now. It's not going to stay that way, but I'll show you what I had to do. This is my afterburner controller because I just put that in. But when I originally got the plane and was getting it ready for its maiden, the throttle, which is the BEC, kept intermittently shutting on and off. So I didn't trust that. Took it out. Had a UBEC. Got that wired up. Didn't have a soldering iron to do what I needed to do, so I did have a small soldering iron, but not a big enough one for wide gauge, for big gauge wire. So I had a small pack. Was able to make a small connector for that and have that running through the UBEC to the receiver. Now, this is my afterburner controller. So as I said, right now everything's kind of messy in here, and this is just temporary. But I wanted to get it flying. I got it flying. It flew wonderful. The original fan was horribly out of balance. It still did fly good, but you know me, I don't like that stuff. So I changed it, and I put in the new Pro Series 2100 kV. Now you can't see it because I've got my afterburner in there right now, but I balanced it. It sounds wonderful. I'll run it up here in a little bit so you can hear it. But in the meantime, I'm going to get my afterburner going so you can see. Let's see if I can set this up in a way you can see it. Alright, so let me get the afterburner going. So throttle cut is on right now. So I'm gonna have it come on probably right around a little past 60%. A little bit of a tinge of a flicker there at half, a little above half. And then it gets a lot brighter as you increase. Now it is shining through the foam right now because it's not painted, but during the day you can't see that, and that's fine. But this is probably one of my brightest LED setups, especially for a twin. And it is only a single, it's not split. So there's no thrust reduction. Yes, those others, the ones that do have two, it might not be much of a reduction, but guess what? It still is a reduction. So this doesn't block anything. So there's no reduction at all. But see how bright that is. So now, let me turn on the throttle. And I'll have to hold the plane. I'll run it up a little bit. It's been balanced, so no more buzzing. So that's it. Really good flying plane. It's a little bit heavier now that I put the upgrade in there, but it's still very light considering the size of the plane. So
throttle cut.
That's it for now. I'm digging the plane. I had 2 good flights on it. I still have to upload those. I have to publish them. I've uploaded them already, just haven't published them. But good flying plane. Glad I got it while it was on sale. For those of you that want to know what I'm using for flaps,
takeoff flaps.
That's it. For takeoff,
landing flaps.
That's it for landing. That's all I've used so far. I might use a little more, but the plane slows down really well as it is right now.
Take off flaps. Flaps up.
There is a little bit of an
Take off flaps. Landing flaps.
up elevator compensation.
Take off flaps. Flaps up.
So the way I have it now, when I hit the flaps, it doesn't matter what speed it is. The plane won't balloon. It'll still hold its same attitude. It'll just slow down. But, fun plane. The weather cooperates this weekend. I will be flying it again with the Guniac balance fan and the fiery booty. So that is it. Hopefully you don't hear a whole lot of heavy breathing on this one like the last one, but that's it for this plane, and hopefully see you guys later. Any questions, go ahead and comment. I usually get back to questions pretty quick, and like and subscribe. All right, that's it guys, see you later.